There's no such thing as bad weather, only unsuitable clothing. When it comes to riding motorcycles in the rain, this couldn't be more true. Riding in wet conditions can be challenging and dangerous, but with the right gear, you can stay dry and safe on the road. In this video, we'll be sharing with you the best ever motorcycle rain gear that you must watch. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a beginner, these gears will keep you protected and comfortable. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of top-notch motorcycle rain gear. First on our list is the Tourmaster Defender 2 two-piece rain suit. This rain suit is designed to keep you dry and comfortable even in the heaviest rainfalls. It's made of heavy-duty polyester with a waterproof and breathable barrier and sealed seams that prevent water from seeping in. Plus, it comes with a soft, fleece-lined collar for extra warmth and comfort during colder rides. One of the things to love about this rain suit is its versatility. It comes in two pieces, so you can wear the jacket and pants separately or together depending on the weather conditions. The jacket also features a removable hood that can be stowed away when not in use, and the pants have an elastic waistband and adjustable cuffs for a snug and customized fit. Another great feature of the Tourmaster Defender 2.0 two-piece rain suit is its storage options. The jacket has two large pockets on the outside and two inner pockets, while the pants have a zippered front pocket and a back pocket. This means you can keep your belongings safe and dry while you're riding. Next is the FrogTogs All Sport rain suit. This rain suit is a popular choice for outdoor enthusiasts who want a lightweight, waterproof, and breathable rain suit that won't break the bank. It's made of a patented, non-woven polypropylene material that is not only waterproof, but also wind-resistant and breathable, meaning it allows perspiration to escape while keeping you dry from the rain. The rain suit comes with both a jacket and pants that are designed to be loose-fitting so you can easily wear them over your regular clothing. The jacket features a full-length front zipper, adjustable hood, elastic cuffs, and an adjustable waistband to provide a comfortable fit. The pants have an elastic waistband with a drawstring for secure fit and adjustable leg openings with snaps to fit over different types of shoes or boots. The Fly Racing Street rain suit is another great option for those looking for a reliable rain suit. It's made from a PVC-coated polyester shell that is both waterproof and wind-resistant. The jacket has a full-length front zipper, adjustable cuffs, and a removable hood, while the pants have an elastic waistband and adjustable leg openings. The suit is designed to fit comfortably over your regular riding gear, making it a great choice for motorcycle riders. Next up, we have the Nelson Rig Unisex Adult Aston Motorcycle Rain Suit two-piece. This suit is made of a breathable, waterproof polyester material and features heat-sealed seams to keep water out. The jacket has a full-length front zipper, adjustable cuffs, and a removable hood, while the pants have an adjustable waistband and leg openings. The suit also comes with a storage bag for easy transport and storage. For those looking for a rain suit with reflective tape for added visibility, the Milwaukee Performance Men's Water-Resistant Rain Suit is a great choice. It's made from a water-resistant polyester material and features reflective tape on the jackets and pants for added visibility in low-light conditions. The jacket has a full-length front zipper, adjustable cuffs, and a removable hood, while the pants have an elastic waistband and adjustable leg openings. Next is the Revit Nitric 2 H2O rain jacket, which is made by the well-respected motorcycle gear manufacturer Revit. This rain jacket is designed to keep you dry and comfortable in even the heaviest rainstorms. The Nitric 2 H2O is an updated version of the original Nitric rain jacket with several new features that make it an even better choice for wet weather riding. One of the most impressive things about the Nitric 2 H2O is its construction. The jacket is made from a waterproof and breathable Hydra-Tex material that offers excellent protection from rain and wind, while also allowing perspiration to escape. The jacket also features a detachable hood that can be easily removed when not needed, as well as adjustable cuffs and waistband to ensure a secure and comfortable fit. Another great feature of the Nitric 2 H2O is its versatility. While designed primarily for motorcycle riders, the jacket can also be worn for other outdoor activities such as hiking or camping. The jacket is lightweight and easily packable, making it a great addition to your camping or hiking gear. Last but not least, the Joe Rocket RS2 Men's Motorcycle Rain Suit. This is another great option for motorcycle riders. It's made from waterproof and breathable polyester material and features heat-sealed seams to keep water out. The jacket has a full-length front zipper, adjustable cuffs, and a removable hood, while the pants have an elastic waistband and adjustable leg openings. The suit also comes with a storage bag for easy transport and storage. Thanks for tuning into our video on the best motorcycle rain gear. We hope you found it informative and useful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Thanks again for watching, and ride safe out there.